guys, what's up? Today we're doing a mukbang. We're going to Taco Bell.
Where am I at? What is this place?
Stay on that street.
Perfect. You got in at just the right time.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm gonna get you.
Don't go up there yet.
I have more like cool thing, you know?
Me too.
Chill. Do you understand how nervous I am? Will you like read to me what to say?
Wait, what's your order? We could all put it on one thing.
Okay, ours are like pretty much the same thing.
You got a dirty
Okay, yours is a breakfast.
You got it. Go.
You're gonna put. Am I even close? Holy shit!
You're so far away.
There's people behind me.
Thanks for stopping at KFC Tacobell. How can I help you?
That's Jasmine. Alright, what do I say? Can I get a chicken soft taco and a cheesy roll up and shredded chicken mini quesadilla, a watermelon freeze, a grilled breakfast burrito?
Hold a second. You said a cheese roll up,
Yeah.
a mini shredded chicken quesadilla,
Yep.
and then what else was it for you?
And a watermelon freeze and a grilled breakfast burrito.
We actually don't have breakfast burritos here, and we don't have the freezes.
Oh. Okay.
They don't have any braces.
And then a mild naked chicken chalupa.
What?
Here's a mild naked chicken chalupa.
Yep.
Alright, $6.49 is one. Thank you.
They're gonna see you come back in and be like, what the fudge?
Hello.
Put that. Alright, come on, buddy. I know you can.
Is that
KFC.
Why does it not feel like it's
I feel
Why
like
is that not a lot?
drive back through this.
I didn't even realize it.
Okay, we're gonna drive through again. We're getting cheesy roll up, cement twist. Cement twist.
No, you got it.
Taylor!
You got it.
This is literally the same person.
Yeah, it's embarrassing. You do it.
No, it's fine. It's
Please.
fine. No.
You.
Go back through.
Yeah, you only ordered 3 things.
But I said a lot more. But I just didn't have it, you know?
Go back through.
How many things do I have
That's
to
all
order?
over. These.
Like 50? I have a Crunch Wrap Supreme.
Crunch Wrap Supreme.
Yep.
Anything else for you?
Yes.
Yes. Shredded chicken mini quesadilla. And can I have 2 packs of the 2-pack cinnamon bun delights?
2 piece.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that one more time for me? You said Crunch Wrap Supreme. Hello?
A shredded chicken mini quesadilla.
Mini shredded chicken quesadilla.
Yep.
Nice. And you said a 2-pack of cinnamon bun delights?
Yeah. And chips and nacho cheese. Is that it?
Chips and cheese. Can I get you anything else?
Yep. Cinnamon twist
Alright.
and a chalupa supreme.
Beef.
Yes, please. Hello again. Send. What the hell?
Hey.
You too.
Got the goods.
Hey, so we just got our food from Taco Bell, you know, and we are going to go back to Marion's house, and we're gonna eat it, and we're gonna talk to her. Okay? Answer some questions.
Oh, hey.
Hi.
Hey, so today we're gonna be doing a mukbang Taco Bell edition. Yeah.
And we're gonna answer questions about ourselves, so you can know who we are. Look at this. Are you kidding me? It's like paper. I don't even know what this is. No, what even is this?
Okay.
There's nothing in
Is
there.
it the quesadilla?
Oh, do we get two?
Get two? Yeah.
Okay, this one's kind of gross. Okay, well, I'm getting there.
I'm gonna have some nachos.
Oh, none of us have had Taco Bell before either. Ew.
Anyway,
Did you eat it?
your mouth. yeah. First question.
Oh, first question. What is our full name? Mine is Riley Paige Finnersville.
Mine is Taylor Lorraine Marisville. Mine's Mary Marie Cooper.
The next question. Whoa! Ew, this is not what I was expecting.
I know, this
These
is
are
like
like
a skeleton.
these are like cheese puffs or something. I thought it was. That's weird.
Jeez.
No, it's not. But like that's like.
Holy, look at this one. Do you see that?
Wait,
Wait, the hair!
Oh! Ew!
That hair is curly.
That is not.
I'm still eating it.
Yeah.
Ew!
Is it good?
No.
Really?
It's really weird. I don't like it.
It has no taste to it.
Oh, that's our grade. That's the next question.
11.
I'm a junior.
I'm a junior. We're going to junior year. Yep. We're all 16. That's the next question. She's turning. My birthday is August 10th, 2001. Mine's June 7th, 2002.
Mine is March 16, 2002. I actually really like these chips.
They're not salty.
Oh, good.
She's weird.
What is your favorite color? Mine's blue.
Mine's blue or white. Mine's blue. Or yellow. Blue.
What sports do we do?
I'm not
And
even
what
looking at the
position? Me either.
Ever. Okay.
So what sports do we do and what position do we play? I'm going. I play
Let's do
volleyball.
one sport at a time.
Okay, so I do volleyball. And I'm a hitter. And I also play back row.
I'm a center.
And she doesn't do volleyball.
Nope.
Basketball. I'm a guard. Also a 2, which is like a shooting guard.
Me as well. I'm a point guard.
I got shoot game. Track. I'm a hurdler. And that's it.
I sprint. I hurdle and do 200s.
Softball. I pretty much play everywhere. Like I have played everywhere. But I have never caught before. But right now, I play right field.
I play outfield. I play center field.
And what sport is our favorite? Mine is like pretty much any sport that's in the season. Like I like all of them.
Mine is track. Mine is volleyball or softball.
What? Okay, I was just gonna like. What even is
looks
that?
Gross. Like what is that
like a
shell?
fake shell.
Oh,
What's that?
It's like a bite-sized taco.
that's chicken. I want to eat it.
What is chicken?
Look at this.
That one.
Ew.
What is even in there?
Cheese.
Good.
Shredded cheese.
Okay, you know those like Dorito shells? We should have got one of those.
My dad used to get those.
Why do they even sell this? What is the point?
It was $1 for shredded cheese on tortilla.
You try this first. I need a napkin.
There's like not enough options. I don't know what to eat.
This was the
for
Nile
it.
something naked chicken chalupa. I don't know.
This is the Crunch Wrap Supreme. Is it
I
good?
really like it. And siblings? Question mark.
One brother. 3 sisters. Try it.
2 sisters and 1 brother. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Do we have any pets? Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Saffron. She's really fat.
Me is weird or just something.
I have a dog named Abby.
I don't have any pets. I am the pet in the family.
Hobbies.
Watching
that
Netflix and watching YouTube.
Watching YouTube, eating, and hanging with friends.
Watching YouTube, Netflix, and eating, and hanging with friends. How we met?
Oh, this is good.
Okay, well, me and Marion met. Did we even say our names?
Yeah, your first question.
Shut up. Okay. Me and Marion met in like 4th grade. I don't know. We've gone to the same school our whole lives, so.
We met in 5th grade.
And like that was the year that we just like started being friends. I don't know. Me and Taylor, yeah, our dads are brothers.
So that means we're cousins.
Yeah.
Boom.
Okay. What are our birthdays? Wait, where to send that? Dogs or cats?
Dogs.
Cats.
Agree with her, dogs.
Mm-mm.
Cats just lay around.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So what's the point of even having them?
Because they're cute. Dogs are annoying and ugly.
No, they're cute.
Ugly.
And fun.
Getting my cheese. There's like nothing in there.
Let me have a bite.
It's literally just tortilla.
Have we ever had braces? Yes.
Uh-huh.
Had it for 2.5 years.
Mine was like 3 years.
Mine was 2.
Glasses? No.
No.
20/20 vision, boy.
I do have glasses. I have contacts and they suck.
Have we ever moved households? I have.
Nope.
I was only in preschool, I think.
I moved twice. I only remember one though.
Good one. What's our favorite vine?
That's the one I was blank.
Piece of chunk.
Okay, like I say it differently than you. Oh my god, here on X game mode. What do you think it is?
Me?
Yeah. Oh my god, here on X game mode.
Oh my god. He going X game motherfucker. I say
Oh.
motherfucker.
Well, he's gone. He gone. Well,
That one
anyways,
sounds like it makes more sense.
that's my favorite vine.
I don't have a favorite.
Well,
I can't choose.
I wrote down my name is Trey, but I feel like that's the Vine that made me love Vine, if you know what I mean. But I don't. Ew.
It has no taste.
But my actual favorite Vine is, I don't know, like any Vine. They're all equally the same.
Yeah, I have no favorite.
I love all Vines, unless it's stupid. Oh yeah, my favorite Vine compilation is Vines that butter my crispy butter my crispy flake. It's so funny.
Mine's the cure my depression.
Oh.
The meat's kind of weird.
I don't even know how to. What?
I'm gonna try this. This looks like a.
Whoa. Whoa. It's not really crunchy.
It's fluffy.
Next question. Favorite movie?
It's good.
Okay.
What's in it?
I don't know.
It's like frosting.
My favorite movie is, like right now, it's probably Kissing Booth or any movie that Zac Efron was in ever. And my favorite movie as a kid was The Little Mermaid.
My favorite movie is Friday Night Lights. Friday.
Mine is Cars or Kissing Booth.
Ew.
See, I watched The Kissing Booth way too much.
I've only seen one.
It's just really cheesy. I don't know.
Yeah. But it's good.
Favorite song or song genre?
I like them all.
Tequila,
Besides
as of right now. Country rap and like sad, depressed, like stuff, you know?
I like pop. And also like really old music. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know, like stuff my dad listens to. Like I like that stuff. And I do not like country. What? And I do not like rap.
some country is good.
Like tequila isn't terrible, but I just don't. Meh.
It's like
Do you like to sing and dance?
something.
I don't like to dance because I'm terrible at it, and I don't like to. Well, I'm not good at singing, but I like to do it.
Yeah, I like to sing all the time.
I obnoxiously sing and dance.
Favorite TV show?
One Tree Hill or Gossip Girl.
One Tree Hill or where's it at? Oh, Friends. Friends is really good.
I like all those shows except Friends Split, but The Office is my favorite show. Favorite drink? Mine is water, a slushie.
Mine's water and smoothies.
I put water and chocolate milk.
Favorite food? Pizza, all the way.
Yep.
Pasta, all the way. Pasta's just like so good. Like there's so much you could do with pasta. Endless. It's great.
I also really like pasta. How tall are we? 5'5".
5'4". Same. I'm 5'5".
These things actually suck. Like, ew, what are you doing?
Ew! I mean, it might not be that bad. It's flavorless.
Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it.
You want me to go get frosting?
That was terrible.
Yeah, disgusting.
I'm still gonna try.
We're adding to the mukbang because these twisty things are not good alone. And crackers.
There you go. Okay, thanks.
That's not it.
Jesus,
That's not what I meant.
get out of here.
Whatever.
What?
I don't think I've ever had one.
Surgeries? No.
No.
I'm getting my wisdom teeth out this summer.
What?
I just told me I had to.
Well, I am also getting my wisdom teeth out, so that's a surgery. And, you know, hopefully I'll be funny, and we're going to make a video.
Wait, what?
Keep your eyes out for that.
Yeah. Favorite type of shoe?
Tennis shoes.
I like Converse, but I don't really wear them that much anymore. I also like Birks and Sperry.
I hate Sperry's. I hate them so much. They're so ugly.
They are beautiful. I got like 15 pairs from Grandma.
I like Nike. Anything.
Also
There's
Nike
some
tennis shoes. Dressing up or staying casual?
Staying casual.
Depends on the day.
Not about that dress up life.
I like dressing up, but I also like casual. I don't know. Favorite number and least favorite number?
My favorite number is 6. My least favorite number is 77.
My favorite number is 3, and my least favorite is anything that. Did I say that right? Yeah. Anything that ends in a 7 or a 9.
My favorite is 10, and my least is 7. Favorite cartoon?
SpongeBob.
Rugrats.
That's a good one.
Definitely Rugrats. But I really love SpongeBob, and I also really love Fairly Odd Parents.
It was
Okay,
weird.
but did you like Dora or Diego?
Dora.
I hated Dora. I love Diego.
I never watched Diego.
I liked them when they collaborated.
Wow Wow Wubbsy. Did you guys ever watch that?
Yes.
I love
No, do you know Fish Hooks? Fish.
Yes, that was
Oh my god, that was like when I was older, but I love that show. What else? There's something else I was gonna say. Oh yeah, I watched the one. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship.
Little Lights.
I hated that so
Me
much.
too.
The
I
bus.
watched it all the time.
Magic School Bus. That's a good one.
Is that even on TV?
I don't think I ever
watched that.
watched
It was
ever.
so good. Clifford. Oh, I love Clifford.
Ew.
Little.
Veggie Tales.
That was good.
VeggieTales was good.
But what is that? Caillou.
Oh,
Yes.
Caillou. That was my favorite. I said oh.
Blue's Clues.
You guys ever watch that?
The big comfy couch. Wait.
That was my favorite show
Yeah,
of
yeah.
all time.
Mhm.
Next.
Netflix or Hulu? Netflix.
Agreed.
But I also like Hulu because I can watch like Grey's Anatomy when it's not on Netflix yet, and I can watch America's Next Top Model.
Yeah.
Favorite ice cream?
Cookies and cream.
Oh,
well,
I
like
didn't answer that.
that's like you know if I go to the
hate cookies and
store and buy it, but like if I go to like a Dairy Barn or something, then there's something else that I want.
Yeah.
You know. But like my favorite like store bought is cookies and cream.
I
Or
love
cookie
mint
dough.
chocolate chip.
No, I hate
Ew,
that.
you guys are disgusting. Ugh.
Mint is for gum and toothpaste.
Yes,
And
I
ice
agree.
No.
Favorite store?
Nike. Wait.
Ooh.
I didn't answer
Oh my
that.
god, I didn't even
It's
put
so
like,
hard.
Either. Nike, American Eagle, or Target.
Like Nike, but it's expensive. So like everything is. I like cheap like the thrift store. Those are really good. And like Route 21, they got good stuff for cheap.
No, like it depends what I want. Like if I want nice clothes, American Eagle. If I want like nice clothes that are like cheap, like or food or like anything, I want to go to Target because they have like everything. But I also love Player's Closet. Don't know if that's just in Iowa, but I love that place. And what did you just say? Nike. Yeah, Nike. Favorite season?
Fall.
I put summer or fall. Favorite holiday?
4th of July.
Christmas or Easter.
Christmas. What?
Easter used to be my that was my favorite holiday of all time.
Christmas. Oh, this is a hard one. Favorite YouTuber?
Dean and JC.
Ew. Okay. No. First, like favorite YouTuber that made me love YouTube was Liza, just because she's so freaking funny. Dolan twins are also really good. I freaking love Jenna Marbles. Oh my gosh, she's so funny. And Emma Chamberlain.
Same. I like Emma.
She's also.
I've been watching
freaking
her
funny.
a lot. But my favorite, like the first person I watched was Alicia Marie.
Okay, what state do you live in? Iowa.
Iowa.
Why did you make this channel and what do you plan to do with it?
Let me say mine first because like you are good at this. Okay. Anyways, I wanted to do this because like I enjoy watching YouTube and like videos and vlogs, and I thought like if I like watching it so much, why not try it out yourself? So yeah.
Okay, well, I wanted to make it because we all have always loved YouTube and like loved watching it, and I've always wanted to do something like this, and yeah.
I put Riley's answer.
See ya. Farewell.
Peace!
Went through.
Well, South Dakota, North Dakota, Omaha, Illinois, Indiana. Yes.
Omaha's not a state.
Nebraska.